Okay, so it's time to see where we are with our sweet potatoes. So this little pot here should have some sweet potatoes in there. So we're gonna dump it out and see what we can find.
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth. Right? Mm-hmm.
I gotta grab the hold of that, isn't it?
Yeah, I did.
See if you can turn it upside down, just plop it on there.
It's not really water in it. Well, we're good. There's a rock.
Well, there's a rock in there. I knew you could grow rocks in Missouri, but that's ridiculous.
Right.
Well,
A big lump of something or other.
there you go.
Get her done.
Oh, look at the little, that's a rock.
With a rock. We find some taters, we're doing good.
Well, how about that? I knew we could grow rocks. Look you there. Aren't they precious? Oh, you broke it.
That's okay though, look.
Yeah.
That's some baby sweet taters.
Yeah, they're like nickels. We can have fried nickels.
Well, you know, if we had a bigger pot, I mean, this.
Actually, they're about dime size, so.
Yeah, if we had a bigger pot, this would have been different.
Yep.
You know
Well,
what I mean?
we're not done cleaning it out. That's still kind of cool.
Yeah. Along with the rocks.
And I don't know it's in the soil. We left one.
You forgot one.
Right there.
So when we get our on the homestead and there's a lot more room for these to grow, we're going to be able to actually grow some big sweet potatoes.
Maybe. There you grew another rock.
Yep.
You're doing good at growing rocks.
I'm telling you, man.
Oh, there's some more. Ooh, that's a better
The
one.
baby one?
Look at there. That's
See there?
one of the better ones.
Mm-hmm.
There's another one
And
there, I think.
I think that with this group, we didn't leave them in long enough. Because we remember we planted these a little later.
Yeah. Oh, grew another rock. How about that? You're good at growing rocks, honey.
Yum, that's awesome, right?
Yeah, you can grow rocks with the best of them.
Right.
Hey, that might actually be good for frying them up.
Seriously.
Yeah.
We got
Lots less cuts.
got some roots still in there, so hey, we might be able to start growing some more.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? A baby one.
And you still got a little bit more there to go through. Oh, wow. That's impressive, your rock collection.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Looky there.
They are little.
My baby.
That's okay. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
We just need to be a little bit bigger in order to eat them.
Oh, we're eating those.
Hmm.
That might be a meal.
We're not done. We still have these other two pots over here.
Yep, that's true.
Look that's all of them.
Yeah, probably. But we did get some.
Got some baby ones.
And we didn't have it during the strong growth season for them.
Right. You have to start early.
Yeah.
I mean, it was okay.
Well, you want to plant some more rocks?
They're good for draining. See, look at all those roots in there.
Yeah.
You see that? Could probably grow some more. Next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
Oh, got another rock.
And keep in mind that you can start growing, if it's early enough, you can start re-rooting these slits and starting again with your sweet potatoes. But we're done for the year. I'm gonna break this one up. It's not, I didn't want to water it
Let
again.
me get it.
The struggle is real. Oh, look at those roots.
You got some holes to push through.
Mm.
No push on.
Hmm?
I can feel it moving up there. There it goes.
There it goes. Ooh. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Look at that one.
Mm-hmm. Where do you want this?
I'll just sit over here.
Okay. Here.
So we've already seen some sweet
Oh,
taters
no,
here.
it's gonna get all over this.
Yeah, well,
Let's get it up here.
there, honey. Oh. Oh. Still got some little ones. Like I said, if we had bigger pots and a bigger garden, these would probably have grown a little bit bigger. But this is all an experiment. We just wanted to see what would happen this year.
You'll be back in flowers in these pots next year.
Yeah.
See, so you just made some compost for it.
Right.
And probably some more sweet potatoes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I feel some big ones, honey. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Got a real one.
Look at that!
There you go. Huh?
That's awesome.
How exciting is that?
That's awesome. Oh my gosh.
Oh, looky there.
These are more edible.
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
That'll put a smile on your face.
Yep. All that patiently waiting. The little one, but that's okay.
Every single night, put more water on it.
Yeah. Yep. Look at this, honey.
Oh, wow. Looky there.
Look at that. Ooh.
Right on. Yeah, we might get a couple meals out of this. Huh?
Right?
I know.
That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Wow. Can you imagine when we get the homestead and we put them in those big gardening beds, the water
Oh, yeah.
troughs? Hmm. Look at that one. Yeah, these
Yeah.
could have stayed in longer, but it is the
Yeah.
season.
Yeah, you could have stayed in as long as it
Yeah.
doesn't frost. That's what you got to worry about.
Right. But that's okay. Like I
Yeah.
said, just an experiment. You know, we wanted to see.
Oh, look there.
Hmm
There's more.
Dad?
How about that?
Yeah. It's just exciting, all the same, you know?
Yep.
Oh, and a baby one. A teeny.
Yeah, look at you there.
A teeny. That's okay.
I think there's probably still some more in there.
Yeah, I feel them.
Look at there.
Mm-hmm.
That's not even. That's good. Oh, look at there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Yeah, they're small, but
Yeah.
they're mighty.
They're mighty. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put them in like a plastic container and put them in a humid place so they sweeten up. So we can get that sweet potato taste. Because I'm sure right now they're probably really bitter.
Don't know.
We'll find out.
Yeah. Throwing that down there by your knee.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at there.
Well, that's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Oh, there's one right there. No, down. Oh,
Hmm?
right there.
It's hiding.
Oh, you kicked it right back in there. Yep, nope, there it is. You got it. Looky there. Not bad for a pot.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my, yeah, a whole
And
bunch.
this one we just put the slips in, right?
Yes. These were just the
So
slips.
that's the best way to go.
Yes.
Is you don't need to,
Yep.
you don't need them to rue it. Okay. That experiment was successful, I think. Because it just there's no way it had enough room to grow. That would have been
No, it
really
was
good.
I mean, it was
If
root
all
bound.
of those were
Yeah.
as big as they could get.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They would have gotten
we
bigger.
would have had a bunch of them.
Yeah. They were starting to get root bound.
Yeah. Oh, looky there. Oh my goodness. Wait, there's more.
How can we
I
miss?
guess start putting it back in that.
How can we miss that?
I don't know. I guess you start putting it in the. Oh my gosh. Are they finding their way back in, or?
No.
I guess you put them in the pot and then put the dirt back in the pot.
Yeah, they were
Maybe you come
definitely
across some more.
right. They were definitely getting root bound though. They were ready to come out.
Yeah.
I mean, they reached their growth for what they were growing in.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the sweet potato that just had the slits on it. You see the potato in here? So we're gonna see if anything happened, if there was any growth from this one. And remember, these leaves are edible. We're not gonna eat these because the bugs, we're eating on them themselves, but next year we'll know to get some peppermint oil and put on here, and that'll protect the leaves. But you can eat these, they're very healthy for you. Alright. Potato, you can come on out now.
Look, you grew some more rocks.
I know, we got awesome.
Yep, in Missouri.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't very many in that last one.
Nope. Trying to loosen up the dirt a little bit.
Let's tip it over.
Yeah. So it's pretty packed in there, pretty good. You see those roots? It's root bound.
Oh, yes indeedy.
Look there.
Looky there.
You think we have sweet potatoes?
And this is successful too.
You see all those? Look
Oh
at that.
my. Look, there's some over here too.
Mhm.
It is
Mhm.
trying like heck to grow.
Mm-hmm.
Look at all those red, or those orange
Mm-hmm.
lines in
They're
there.
trying to grow.
Yeah.
Mm.
Look, it's the shape of the pot.
Mhm.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So what do you think about those bags that people grow them in? And they can just dump them out.
Yeah, you can do that. That would be,
I think that's a good idea.
yeah.
Might be a little easier. Well,
Yeah.
except for the watering part.
Right, yeah, that's,
But we got that little wagon with the hose on it.
mm-hmm. This has a lot of moisture in it. Mm-hmm. Yep, yep. Mm-hmm. Still root. Okay, here we go. The baby. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you grew rocks in that one too, didn't you?
Sure did.
Yeah. You good old Missouri girl.
Mm-hmm. Gotta grow those rocks.
Yeah.
I'm surprised to see just those in there.
Oh. Another rock.
Oh, a baby one. Hmm.
Yeah.
I think next year we're gonna have a lot of sweet potatoes. You know?
Yeah. That's the plan.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta get some good dirt in there. Get a good compost pile. Oop, there's one. Maybe one.
Hmm.
Well, you did do good growing rocks on this one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Lots of rocks on this one.
It's not bad. There's the one that was from a potato.
Mm-hmm.
From the slips. And from rooting.
Mm-hmm.
You be the judge.